I'm here to help you make the most of your festive season using Marks & Spencer's with a very simple dish of roast carrots and parsnips, and we're going to jazz them up with a little bit of maple syrup, red wine vinegar and the Cook with M&S star anise. I've taken the carrots and parsnips and I've just chopped them into rough batons. So these are from the M&S Fresh Market Specials and they're perfect at only 49 cents a bag. We're going to cook them on a medium heat for about 10 minutes. This is exactly what we're after. Keep turning them until they're nicely golden brown all over. We're going to season the carrots and parsnips in there, very, very important. Now I'm going to add the star anise, lovely sweet aniseed flavour, and then sweet and sour. So we're going to add some red wine vinegar, maple syrup in equal quantities. All we have to do then is reduce the glaze until it's nicely coating the carrots and parsnips. It takes about a minute to a minute and a half. This is perfect in here, it's gone nicely glazed. We just need to get it onto our side dish. It's simple, it's quick, and it's made brilliant with that Cook with M&S star anise.